What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be tackling the angle kit because at the moment we're running 50mm extended arms. They're factory BMW arms, just extended 50mm, and we're also got the Wizard of Lock reduced Ackerman cut knuckles with E90 inner tie rods and then E36 outer tie rods. But as you saw in one of the previous videos, we had a slight failure where one snapped in half, and then yeah, that wasn't fun. That was a very expensive break, but we have something very cool. Oh yeah, the car is going WiseFab. So this is a WiseFab V1 kit. It's their early models for the E36. Basically, when Ross got his car, got a deal, and the guy threw in a set of WiseFab arms, and it comes with everything, all the tie rods. All the bushings are really worn out, if it ever focuses. Yeah, all the bushings are just knackered, as you can see, and the spherical ones at the end here have a bit of play in them. They're very worn out. So we have got from WiseFab new spherical bearings, and we've also got an upgrade kit. I'll unpackage it and show you guys. So here it is. Basically, on the old models they had OEM style bushing on the inner one here, which are, well, they're just no good. They wear out very quickly under the loads of the drift cars. So WiseFab actually sell this upgrade kit. There's the part number if anyone needs it, if it ever focuses. Of course it won't. But this replaces that with a spherical bearing. So, well, spherical bush, whatever you want to call it. And then here is a little cup. We have to press these out, press this in, and then they go into this. I didn't know it was so such a mission to do, but these actually have to be welded in. So here's the printout they send, and as you can see, that cup goes in, and then you have to weld around it, around the top, to sort of seal it in. But the paintwork on these is pretty terrible. So today I'm gonna clean them all up, press all these out, and then weld this in, and then we're gonna get the paint matched. I've already peeled off a little chunk over here to take to the paint shop, and then we'll give them a refresh. Normally you have an adjustable one of these lollipops, but we haven't got that. I'm going to take this one off and use the one we've got on the car, because that one's got an eccentric bush on it, which allows for more caster. This one is as well, but the caster has not been put in the right place. I don't know if they intended doing that or not, but it's wrong anyway. So we're going to use the ones on the car as their new bushings, and they're the almost solid ones, where these are sort of like the factory ones by the looks of it. Not factory, the, what's it called, PA80 or something, the ones that are like OEM replacement polybush. And then I'll have to get some new stickers made up. We don't need that, but might as well. And then we can't use the factory, well, we can't use the Wizard of Lock knuckles. We're going to use the OEM ones. We've still got them. I'll clean them up and paint them as well. But yeah, let's start pressing these out and getting the new bits in. There we go. Press the old ones out. They were destroyed. They are absolutely destroyed. But yeah, took the lollipops off as well. They came off nice and easy, because the caster setting on these is not how I like it. I like it here so that you've got more caster for self-steer. I don't know if that's a WiseFab thing. Let me know down below. I don't know anything about WiseFab, to be honest. But yeah, now I'm just gonna clean these up, ready for paint. I haven't got the paint yet, but I'll get that in the next couple of days. There we go. So just put these cups in. Now just need to weld them down, weld all around them, and the other side. Crack on there that quick. There we go. Welded them all in there, cleaned them all up. I just need to get a wire brush on the drill to get inside here, and then yeah, put some primer on them. I'll probably let them dry overnight and then come back and paint them. Look like some fresh new arms, mate. Freshies. Getting better at the welding. Slowly. just primed them, now just waiting for paint. I'll sand them down a little bit before putting the blue on, but yeah. It's lovely. Someone's dumped a pile of junk here in the middle. Painted the valve covers for the second time. This time primed them properly and used a 2K lacquer as well, so hopefully they come out alright. Fingers crossed. Right, so I'm not sure where I left off because the previous clips you just watched were like 2 weeks ago. But today we're actually installing it. We painted the arms. It's not quite WiseFab blue, but it doesn't matter, it'll do the job. And we also painted the knuckles back black and the tie rods silver, and we've also got some new e36 inners. So yeah, time to fit these. I'm not going to bore you with taking it all off because you've probably seen my other videos. If you haven't, click up here. But I'm just going to do some YouTube magic. There we go, both off. Still need to take the hubs off them because we're going to reuse the old ones, but should be alright. So now, just need to figure out where all these bits go on here. I kind of remember, and I think I took some photos, so it should be alright in theory. Let's give this a go. So many bits here. I'll give you an update once I figure it out. Just got all the bearings pressed in. Now I just need to put the circlips in and then start putting it back together somehow. Alright, so I've got all these put back together. I think they're correct. I took some photos before I took them apart, so hopefully should be alright. I don't have the adjustable lollipops, I've only got the eccentric ones to allow for more caster, but should be alright. Can always get them at some point, but they're like 200 quid, so not right now. But yeah, let's get these installed. Alright, so I've got both sides on now. This side I've put the wheel on, and it looks like there's some decent lock there. Ah! Son of a bitch. Straight up the butthole. But yeah. The thing is, you're meant to have these top hats. Didn't even feel it, mate. I've maxed the camera out this way, but there's still way too much camber that I'll show you. Right, there's quite a bit. It's really hard to tell on camera, especially as the car's jacked up, but I don't know, it might be alright. I'm going to put the arch on quick to see how much it sticks out. Hopefully I can roll the arches enough so that it fits. I don't want to go over fenders. Let's give it a go. Might be able to roll these out, I don't know, it's not looking promising. I mean, when the car comes down, it'll camber in a little bit. Don't know. That's a problem for another day. We'll sort that out as we get to it. Might be alright, might not. Don't know. It looks so mental. Look at that. You'll be able to go sideways. Well, not sideways, you'll literally be able to crab walk. It's almost vertical. Or horizontal, whatever you want to call it. Savage. So good. Green fender. Put the fenders on just to see what it's like. Looks nuts. Nothing rubs either. Sweet as. Lovely. It's not all tight at the moment, but I'll tighten it afterwards. Still need to sort of align it and everything. Yes, but yeah, hopefully at some point I'll get these, but for now it'll have to do. We'll do the job. There's a little bit down there I'm going to have to trim because we don't have them, but it'll do for now. Right, so that is it for today's video. The WiseFab kit looks insane. I'm hoping it performs alright without having the top plates, but we'll just have to try it out. If it feels awful, then I'll have to bite the bullet and buy the top plates, I guess. Or make something, maybe. Don't know. Might be able to make something for it, but yeah, the angle is insane. I just want this car done already. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.